To check your transaction history on Snapchat, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate through the app to find your financial transactions. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. This is where you can find various options related to your account. Step 4. Find Snapcashore Payments. Scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Snapcashore Payments. Tap on it to access your transaction details. Step 5. View Transaction History. Once in the Snapcashore Payments section, you will see your transaction history. Here, you can review all your past transactions, including payments sent and received. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Snapchat. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app's help section or reach out to customer support.